Could the future of medicine lie in the realm of artificial organs? Picture this: organs, not born, but built. These could revolutionize healthcare, addressing the increasing need for transplant organs. Imagine a world where no one has to wait for a life-saving organ transplant. The idea of artificial organs isn't as new as you might think. The journey began in the 1960s with the creation of the first artificial heart. The path was not without its trials, as early pioneers faced daunting challenges. These included the body's tendency to reject foreign objects and the complexity of mimicking organ functions. However, through resilience and innovation, these hurdles have been leaped over. From the first artificial heart to modern prosthetics, we've come a long way. Fast forward to today, and artificial organs have become a reality. Thanks to remarkable advancements in technology, these life-saving marvels are more effective and reliable than ever before. Modern marvels like three-dimensional printing have revolutionized the field, allowing for precise, customized organ creation. Meanwhile, biotechnology has opened up new possibilities for bioengineered organs that can adapt and grow with their recipients. Every day, we're inching closer to replicating the complexity and functionality of natural organs. With each passing day, artificial organs are becoming more like the real thing. But what does the future hold for artificial organs? Picture a world where organ failure is only a temporary setback, where advancements in technology render the fear of organ rejection obsolete. Yet, we must grapple with the ethical quandaries posed by such progress. As we venture further into the realm of artificial organs, only time will tell what's in store. So, where does that leave us? We've journeyed through the birth of artificial organs, marveled at their present state, and glimpsed into a future full of limitless potential. This technology promises to revolutionize healthcare, offering hope and healing where once there was none. We stand at the precipice of a new era where the human body's limitations can be overcome with ingenuity and innovation. In the world of artificial organs, the only constant is change. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting field.